Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Easy Glaze. I'm going to show you how to take off the blades from a John Deere L130. I usually have my Zero Turn time cutter, but it went out on me the other day. The drive belt came off, but I tried to put it back on. It's either stretched out or I see the pulleys in the front, they're not turning, and I'm not sure if it's automatically supposed to turn or if the belt makes it turn. But either way, I got an issue right now with that. So let's focus on the John Deere and get that up and running, because I do have 3 acres here, and oh man, I wish my Zero Turn worked, because I don't like the steering wheel riding mowers, but that's why I got a backup, right? Let me not talk bad on her. And I did start it up earlier. She started up. Needed to give her a boost because I haven't used her in close to 2 years now, but she still, I got to give her credit. Anyway, I'm using a regular mower jack. I got a video on my channel showing you guys how to use the mower jack. I used it on the Zero Turn, but here it is on the riding mower. And let me show you where I decided to jack it up at. Okay, there's a safe point right there. Man, I really don't know the technical terms for all these parts and stuff like that. I'm a DIYer. I do everything at home. So anyway, let me not bore you guys to death. There's 3 blades on this deck. This is a 48-inch deck. And what sucks is each blade has 2 bolts each. This one has 3 blades, but 1 bolt each. So I guess double the work with this one. So yeah, keep tuned and I'll show you how to take them off. All right, so I got my impact gun and I got a 15 millimeter here. Bam, all right. And it's handy to have a short one because of the clearance under here. All right, let's get started. I'll try to give you guys good angles. Again, 15 millimeter. It's helpful to have a short one because of the clearance. And there we go. Look at that clearance. So I'm gonna have to screw this back in and then take it out manually. All right, let's see if I can get my impact off. There we go. Oh man, that sucks. Let's see. Oh, I see the bolt. Oh man, that's gonna suck. All right, I guess I got no choice but to use the impact gun. Let's see how I do. Let's get my piece back on. All right, technical difficulties here. There we go. Oh man, I might have gave myself a headache here. Hold on, let's see. Oh, nice. There we go. All right. All right, same thing with this one. The clearance is not that great. Let's see if we could do what it do. Okay. All right, always something. Let's see. Let's see if I could turn it manually. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tighten it back up and then see if I can loosen it. Let's see.
think it's just stripped, right? Does it just come right out? Am I fighting with it for no reason? Let's see. Feel the bolt. Come on, don't be stubborn. So I'm definitely gonna have to put new bolts once I get this off. Okay, I feel it turning now. Yep, there we go. While I'm at it, I'll get me new bolts, I guess. Or maybe I could clean these up with some WD-40. Who knows? Anyway, where did that other bolt go? There we go. So I got two here. And always try to remember the way that it came off. You want to put it back the correct way. I even put a video on my channel explaining about the blades, putting them the correct way. All right, let me do this other one. The one in the middle. I think I could get that one from here. Let's see. Can you guys? Yep, you guys can see. Beautiful. That one was nice. I got the birds in my pole barn. I don't know if you guys hear that. They need to get out. I'm gonna close up soon. All right, so I got 1, 2, and I got one more on the other side. All right, I'm on the other side. Let's do this third one. Dirty too, so while I got it jacked up, I'll clean under the deck. A lot of old, you see the grass and stuff like that caked up. You should never let it get caked up like that, but, being a homeowner, right? It would be helpful if you put it the right direction, right? I was tightening it. Uh-oh, no, I was not. Wait, what am I doing here? There we go. All right. All right, let me get to the other one. One closest to me. So the ones at the end are not that easy. Oh, you know what? Look. Can I move the deck? Yes, I can. What an idiot. Not the easiest thing holding the deck with one hand, but it's possible, guys. So I don't know if you can see me with my left hand, but it still didn't come out. So let's see. There we go. Right? What's up with these screws? Let me see if I can get the other one. There we go. One more time. Looks like I'm gonna do it manually. Come on, you're the last one. Don't give me fucking problems. Come on. Maybe the impact will help me. I don't know why it's not taking it fully off. You know, video should be shorter, but then there's always complications. See, what's my problem? I don't understand. The fucking impact gun. Why are you not coming off? This is annoying. Let's try again. Again, it's the last bolt, guys. John Deere L130. Maybe if I get a different bit, I don't know. Let's see. What the hell's going on? All right, let me get another bit. All right, I got a 16 bit. It fits snug, so I don't know. Let's see. All right, I'm still on the 16. I mean, I went to the 16. The 16 was too big. I went back to the 15. I'm gonna tighten it, and let's see if I can loosen it after that. Let's see if I can tighten it. Okay, it looks like it's tightening. Now let's see if I can loosen it. There we go. All right, guys, lesson of the day. If it doesn't come out, put it back in and then pull out, baby. Yeah. All right, guys, that was it. That's how to take off your mower blades, and I don't think I need to, add to it how to put it back on, right? It's the same deal. You just put it back on and put the bolts back in. If you want, get new bolts, right? I'm gonna get new bolts and not, not even gonna, yeah, they all, look at this. That's probably for me too with the impact gun. Again, I'm gonna do it DIY. Don't feel discouraged. I do things myself all the time. I got a messed up ankle right now and my back is killing me. But you know what? You gotta get it done. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Blessings. Thanks. Hey, I figured I'll add me bringing down the mower since you guys didn't get to see me jack it up. This is, I guess, a little outro, if you will. So right here is the release pressure, and you're gonna just want to let it down slowly. I'll try to capture both. Okay. Sorry for my grunts. I'm using one hand because I'm doing the video here. Usually you'll want to use two hands, so you can bring it down nice and slow. All right. Thanks for watching. See you later.